brings all the employees and the management together to share their common happiness.
We wish you all the success and we are happy to recognize as long as you are doing well. With a small note, congratulations once again to every one of you. Let me congratulate all the students and the proud parents. See, whatever and wherever field you are trying to choose or you are going to choose, just try to excel in that field.
To thank the management and the HR department of the Yashoda Hospitals.
I'm a recipient of the Yashoda Scholastic Awards. Get this award from Yashoda Hospitals where my dad works.
It motivates me for my further studies, further hard work.
It gives me more encouragement to study even more harder and everything.
It motivates us to give our 100% best.
It's an award where a lot of people are congratulating or with they are appreciating your success.
Well, I'd like to thank the directors and all the staff.
Well, thank you to the Yashoda Hospitals. It is definitely an honor for me to give the scholarship award. It's really very fantastic and very proudful moment for us.
Thank Yashoda management for giving me such an award, such an opportunity.
I'm very thankful for this management.